Hi, my name is Cupid and I am just an average guy like you. I work as a BPO employee but decided to quit my job and to follow my dreams, which is to be a full-time entrepreneur and to travel around the world. I know switching from employee to full-time entrepreneur is not easy. That is why my goal is to share my story and to encourage other dreamers like me to never give up. All you have to do is to take constant action. I started online and traditional business already. Join me in this journey as I continue hustling for my dreams. Again, my name is Cupid and this is the story of my life.
Hey mga guys, may buntag sa tanan. Again, welcome back sa panibagong adventure ng Pobreng Looper. Second day na namin today sa Bantayan Island. And today, iikutin namin ang buong isla at titingnan kung ano mga magagandang lugar na pwede naming puntahan. Kasama rin namin ang family friend namin na sina Tita Janet. Bago kami umalis sa campsite, syempre, sinulit muna namin ang pagkakataon. Naligo muna kami ulit kasama si Mami at si Yashi. So after swimming, we packed up and hit the road again. Just around 15 minutes later, we arrived at Kamsawi in Barangay Ubuob, Santa Fe, Bantayan Island. Sumikat ang place na to dahil sa blockbuster movie noong 2016 na yung title is Kamsawi. After Kamsawi, we hit the road again. Next up, Madridillos. Madridillos is located in the northern part of Bantayan Island. Isa ito sa mga tahimik na bayan na talagang worth visiting kapag naglilibot ka sa isla. From Madridillos, dumiretso naman kami sa Municipality of Bantayan. At syempre, hindi makukumpleto yung biyahe sa Bantayan kung hindi ka makakabili ng dried fish. Kilalang kilala ang isla sa kanilang boneless danggit at iba pang masasarap na dried seafood. Kaya perfect talaga itong iuwi na pasalubong. Pagkatapos naming mamili ng pasalubong, nag-stop over muna kami sa Four Monkeys para mag-snack bago kami bumiyahe pabalik ng Cebu. Kung tatanungin niyo ko kung babalik pa kami sa Bantayan, my answer is yes. Marami pang spot na gusto naming libutin at i-explore. So yan lang muna for now. Again, this is Cupid, ang inyong Pobreng Looper, saying, bahalag pobre, basta may pakandoy.